In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Foxit Reader. If you're spending long hours reading documents on your computer screen, you know how important it is to have a display that's comfortable on the eyes. Adjusting the background color can make a significant difference in reducing eye strain and improving your reading experience. Let's walk through the process of changing the background color, step by step, so you can customize your reading environment just the way you like it. To get started, open Foxit Reader on your computer. Once you have the application open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on the File option. This will open a drop-down menu with several options that help you manage your documents. From this menu, you'll want to choose Preferences. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list, and it's your gateway to customizing Foxit Reader to better fit your needs. Once in the Preferences window, look at the list on the left-hand side and find Accessibility. Clicking on Accessibility gives you options to modify how the text and colors display. Now, in the Accessibility settings, look for the option that says Replace Document Colors. You'll notice that it's a checkbox. By checking this box, you're allowing yourself to customize the color settings of your documents. The next step is to click on Custom Color, which will enable you to select your preferred color for the page's background. Once you click on Custom Color, a color selection window will appear. Here, you have a variety of colors to choose from. Take your time to find a color that feels easy on your eyes. You might want to go for softer colors like light gray or beige, as these are often gentle on the eyes. After you've picked your color, the next thing you'll want to do is click OK to confirm your selection. However, you're not done yet. Make sure to also click OK in the main Preferences window. This final step applies the changes you've made, thereby updating your document's appearance according to your chosen color settings. And there you have it. Just like that, you've changed the background color in Foxit Reader, creating a more personalized and comfortable reading experience. Remember, these small customizations can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time viewing documents on your computer. Enjoy your reading, and feel free to experiment with different colors until you find the one that works best for you. Thanks for joining today, and until next time, keep tweaking those settings to make your digital life better.